My name is Deepthi. I am an international mathematics teacher with over 17 years of experience. In this video, I will cover the entire topic in details. So stay tuned till the end. Thank you. So in today's topic is metric measures. You can say that metric measurements, you can say that unit conversion. Okay, so this topic we are going to learn all the unit convert, how to do this. Okay, so suppose, how old are you, how far is your school, how heavy is your bag, right? How much time do you get to play? Do all these questions sound similar, right? It sounds similar, right? Or of course, we are constantly bombarded with the need to count and keep track of various numbers and measurements in our life in terms of time, years, months, length, weight, and so on, right? We are so adept at it that it is almost second nature to us. So most of the measurements unit we use have been learned naturally. We never ever hear anything say, I am 10 centimeter old. Can we say that I am 10 centimeter old?
No.
No. So evidently we have learned the units of measurement by uses as we grew. Now we shall attempt a formal learning so as to add to our skills and be more proficient in the uses of measurement and their units. So metric units is a small topic, you can say that. Okay, so the international system of unit or the SI system is the internationally accepted system of measurement. What is the SI? You will see this word in the physics also. SI system is the internationally accepted system of measurements. This in a way unites the world and helps scientific progress because all the observations across the scientific world are recorded in a system understood by all. So this SI system is a system which is used for whole world. So that if you go any country, anywhere, but this system is used for everywhere. So before we learn about different units, let us try to understand the need for different units to measure the same dimensions. All of us are familiar with length, right? How long is your notebook? How long is your notebook? The answer would be 20 centimeter estimated, right? 20 centimeter? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So now let us look at another length related question. How long is the corridor? How long is the corridor? The answer would be 5 meter estimated. Meter, right? Centimeter.
Yeah.
Our book is estimated is 10-20 centimeters suppose. Okay, same corridor would be 5 meter estimated. Let us look at one more length related question. What is the distance between the San Diego to Texas?
500 or 700 miles.
So yes, so one more related question is, what is the distance between your San Diego to Texas, or in India when we are talking about the India, so Mumbai to Bangalore? What is the distance? Any idea? The answer would be 1000 kilometers. 1000 kilometers, right? Or maybe more miles. Yes, of course, right? So all three are length related questions. Book, corridor and long distance. All are the length related questions, and yet all the three answers carry different units. For a small object, we are using the small unit. Little more, we are using more unit, meters. When the long distance, we are using the kilometers. Understood? All right?
Yes.
So let us understand the reason behind this now. Centimeter is a small unit of measurement and it's used to measure a small length like book, It's a very small, right? Same, as the length to be measured increase in size, it is better to use slightly bigger unit of the measurement, namely meters. Okay, slightly bigger the length. Okay, same, further distance between cities is an even larger length, or hence we use a bigger unit of measurement than meter. Is it wrong to use the small unit of measurement for the large one? No, but it would neither be convenient nor be appropriate, right? Because we can't use for the long distance in meters and centimeters. We can find it the length and the two cities, between the two cities distance, we can find it in the centimeter and meter, but it is not a neither a convenient nor a appropriate. Understood? So, just like when you are asked your age, you reply in years and not in days and hours. Can anyone ask your age? So, you are giving your answer in the months and the minutes, or the seconds. Can you give the answer in this way?
Yes.
Really?
It won't be reasonable. You can,
In
but
days,
it won't be reasonable.
in days or hours, can you give it? Can you give your answer in days and hours? Your age?
Yeah. Yes. Yeah, but it won't be reasonable.
Yes. So yes. So also it would be a funny to give the distance between cities in centimeters. Okay. So conventionally, all units of measurement have a set area of uses, and we follows it. Okay. And we follows it, bacha. So we shall now learn about the standard units of measurements used for different purposes. Okay, now we will learn in different purpose. So our purpose is small, so you will take the small unit. Your purpose is like, I need to find the length of my board, so my purpose is long, so my unit will be increased. And the same time we will use for the larger distance for larger unit. Understood? So length measure the linear dimensions between 2 points. Length means small length, bigger length, more bigger length, right? So the linear dimension between 2 points. So we are finding the distance between 2 points. Okay? Yeah? So we have seen, so the standard unit of measure length is meter. What is the standard unit of length is? Meter.
Meter.
So we will discuss all three in detail, like first length, then weight or volume, okay, and then everything we will learn in detail. So first I am explaining it, the length. So SI system.
Ma'am,
Yes.
today we start.
So the length, the basic unit of length is meters. Okay, meter is the basic unit of length. Now in the length, the basic unit, we have seen earlier the need for different scales of measurement. We have different units that are 10, 100, 1000 times larger than the standard unit, and also 10, 100, 1000 times smaller than the standard unit. Okay, so now I am giving the formula so that you can use it for finding the unit. This, so standard unit, write down. Okay, I'm using it. So standard unit is meter, length standard unit is meter. Okay, so unit, right hand side we have 3 lower units, okay, and the left hand side we have 3 higher units. Okay, so whenever you go towards the right, you have to multiply by 10. So when you have to kilometer converted into the hectometer, you will multiply by 10. Hectometer converted into the decameter, you will multiply by 10. This you will be when decameter converting into the standard unit or meter, you can say that you will multiply by 10, and this process will go on. The same thing when you go in the reverse order, means right to left, you will be dividing by 10. So then millimeter convert into the centimeter, you will be dividing by 10. You will be dividing by 10. Meter dividing by 10. Meter converting into decameter dividing by 10. Decameter converting into the hectometer divided by 10. And this kilometer dividing by 10. How you will learn, how you will recognize this? So we have one method so that you can always keep in your mind. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. So see the first letter, King, K-I. Better way is if you used in this other way. Wait, I am writing the easy way so that you never.
Ma'am, my teacher is in 4th grade.
So K-I used for king. Henry, H-E. H-E will make it Henry. Died, D, make it died. By means it's a basic unit. So basic unit is meter. So by, King Henry died by. D, D stand for drinking. C stand for chocolate. M-I for milk. So King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk. Whatever unit you have to convert it, you can use this part and converting easily. Very important, these three units are the smaller units than meters, and these three units are the greater units compared to the meter. Okay, so the units of length lower than meters are decimeter, centimeter and millimeter, and the units of length higher than the meters. So there is two variations. Okay, so this is the first question. Convert 6 kilometers into meters. So 6 kilometers. Now where is the kilometer? Here. We are going towards where? Right. So kilometers, how many jumps we have taken? 1, 2, 3. 2 kilometers to meters. Means how many 10 multiplied? How many tens we are multiplying here? So 6 meters is equals to how many meters? So for 6 meters we are jumping 3 steps. 1 means multiply by 10. Second step multiply by 10. Third step multiply by 10. So total 3 steps. So this is your answer. Alright? Yes? Second question. Convert 4 meter into decimeter. Check. How many steps we need to take out? Meter to decimeter. Where is meter? Look at the board, boys. Where is meter? Meter is here. Where is decimeter? Here. How many jumps?
2.
How 2? This is meter, this is decimeter. Only one, na? Here to here, only
Wait,
one.
so why do we do 1 jump? But for 6 we did 3 jumps. So why is that?
So different unit. We are converting only the neighboring unit. Meter,
Oh.
decimeter,
Oh.
only one step. But kilometer and meter is in the kilometer and meter is far from 3 steps. So 1, 2 and 3. So we reach meter and we needed meter. So we were multiplying by 3 zeros. Because meter and decimeter is only one step. So we will multiply only 1 0. Okay. So it's a 40 decimeter. So 4 meter is now 40 decimeter. Third is 5 meter converting into the centimeter. Now check where is meter, where is centimeter. How many steps will reach it in centimeters? 2. Very nice. Very nice. So meter to decimeter is 1 step. Decimeter to centimeter is 2 steps. So we will multiply 2 zeros. Yeah, easy. Fourth.
Yeah.
Fourth. Now 8 centimeter into millimeter. How many millimeters? Now check where is centimeter, where is millimeter.
One space. So it should be 80 millimeters.
Yeah, that's correct. 80 millimeter. Correct. Absolutely correct. Understood the concept?
Yes.
Any confusion? Now, how you will convert 3 kilometer 25 meter into meters, okay? So, write it down. 3 kilometer 25 meters, right? Now, you can write it 3 kilometers plus 25 meters, right? Because we need to convert into meter. We need to convert into meter. So, this meter part we will not disturb, okay? Will not disturb the meter part. We'll see only the 3 kilometer. Now tell me, 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? 1000 meter, as we have seen in the table. King Henry died by, King Henry died. King to Henry, Henry to died, died to by. 3 steps we have done now. So we have multiplied 3 0. So 3 kilometer will be 3000 meters. Alright? Yeah. So can you write it 3 kilometers? Instead of 3 kilometer, we can write it 3000 meter. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now see, both are in meters. Now it's easy to add because both the units are same now. So you can easily add it. So 3025 is the meter. So how you will write it in the answer? Your 3 kilometer 25 meters is now 3025 meters. Any confusion?
No.
Boys?
Yes.
Understood perfectly the concept? Yeah? Say something.
Yeah.
I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any query or needs practice question, please do let me know in comment.
In this second question, convert 6 meter 8 decimeter into decimeter. Okay, so you have to convert into the decimeter. So write down the question first. 6 meter 8 decimeter. You will write it in the addition form. Okay, because both are in addition. Now because you have to convert into the decimeter, so you will not disturb this part. This you will be copied as it is. Okay, only you will find this. So 1 meter is equals to how many decimeter, boys? King Henry died by drinking by
Drinking chocolate milk. It's 10 decimeters.
Absolutely
yeah.
correct. Absolutely correct. So 10 decimeter, right beta? So now 6 meter will be how many decimeter? 60 decimeter.
60 decimeters.
Absolutely. So now we will convert into the 60 decimeter. Substitute here. And this is already in decimeter. Just write it down as it is. Now both the units are in same unit, right? Both the numbers. Now you can easily add it. So 60 plus 8 is 68 decimeters. So how you will write the answer? 6 meter, 8 decimeter is now 68 decimeter. That's it. Done. Any confusion here?
Ma'am, in
Now the third question is convert 4 meter 65 centimeter into centimeters. Now write it down in a...
is that 465 centimeters?
So 1 meter is equals to how many centimeters?
100 centimeters.
Correct. 100 centimeter. So we have 4 meter. So it's a 400 centimeter, right? So now 400 centimeter plus 65 centimeter. When you add it, you will get 465 centimeter. That's correct. So you will write your answer. 4 meter 65 centimeter is 465 centimeter. Any confusion? Now you can convert any unit, right? Now this is the, what is the part? This is the conversion of mixed unit to the lower unit. See, this is the mixed unit to the lower unit. Now the third part I will explaining conversion from lower unit to the higher. Now this is the conversion from lower to higher unit. See, this is millimeter is the lower unit, centimeter is the higher unit of length. Now how you will do it? See the difference. 80 millimeter, when you have to convert it to the centimeter, see the table. King Henry died by drinking chocolate milk, right? Whereas we have in this place now, and we have to reach here, means divided by 10. When we go towards the right, you will multiply by 10 in each step. When we go towards left, you have to divide by 10 in every steps. All right? Yeah. So we are millimeter, we are at millimeter, we have to move to the centimeter, then we will divide by 10. So 80 divided by 10, so it will become centimeter. So when you divide it, you will get 8 centimeter, right? So 80, you can write it, 80 millimeter is now 80 centimeter. Any confusion? Because we have moved towards left. When we move towards left, you have to divide by 10 in every step. When we move towards right, you will multiply by 10 in every steps. Okay?
Wait, ma'am,
Now, the second is convert 63 millimeter into centimeter. The same process you will apply. 63 millimeter. When you have to convert 63 millimeter into centimeter, so how you can do it? So you will be break here, okay? 60 millimeter plus 3 millimeter. You will break like this. So 60 millimeter, when you convert into the centimeter, so you will be divide by 10. So it will become a centimeter and 3 is in the millimeter. Okay? So when you divide it, you will get 6 centimeter plus 3 millimeter, and you will remove addition sign and it will become like this. So 6 centimeter 3 millimeter is the answer. So how you will write it? 63 millimeter is now 6 centimeter 3 millimeter. This is the another type of variation. All right? No. Okay, anyways, the second question is convert 600 centimeter into meters. How you will do that?
You divide
600 centimeter, we need to convert into the meters.
you multiply it by 20.
Why multiply? Centimeter is the smaller unit and meter is the bigger unit. When you convert smaller into bigger, you have to be divide, right? How many steps we are going? 2 steps. So it's a 6 meter. So 600 centimeter is now 6 meters. Any confusion?
No.
Do the third. I am editing here. Convert 748. Convert 748 centimeter into meters. See, when we have the single zero numbers, okay, so you will use this method directly, okay, but when we have the other number, see, 748, so you have to break
7
down.
and 48.
Yeah.
Is it 7 meters and 48 centimeters?
Yes, so always break down into two parts. So 700 centimeter plus 48 centimeter. You will break down like this first. Then 700 centimeter you will be converting into meters. By divide by 100, then it will be converting into meter, and this will be a centimeter only. So when you divide it, you will get 7 meter plus 48 centimeter. You will write it in, now you will remove the plus sign and you will write it like this. So your final answer 748 centimeter is now 7 meter 48 centimeters. Okay. See, now fourth question is convert 8000 meters into kilometers. So write down 8000 meters first. 8000 meters you need to convert into kilometers. How many steps from meter to kilometer? King Henry died by means meter. So meter 1, 2 and 3 steps. When we go towards right, you need to multiply. When we go towards left, you have to multiply, divide, sorry. So 8000 divided by 1000 because we are moving towards left. Now it's a kilometer. So it's a 8 kilometers. So 8000 meters is now 8 kilometers. Any confusion? Easy? Easy peasy,
Yeah.
lemon squeezy. Yeah. Next. Now in the fifth question, convert 5165 meters into kilometers and meters. We need to convert into two parts. Okay. Now see, whenever the question is given, first you will write it like this. Then you will be break down into two parts because we need to convert into two parts. So 5000 meters plus 165 meters. Okay. Now you will see it here. You have to convert in kilometers and meters. So meter we will not disturb because this is already given in the meters. So we will not disturb the meter part. Only this meter we will convert into the kilometers. So whenever we will convert 5000 divided by 1000, it will be converting into kilometers. Plus 165 is already given in meter, just you copy it same. Now 5000 divided by 1000 will be 5 kilometer plus 165 meter. You can write it, you can remove the addition sign and you can write it in this way. So your question is 5165 meter is now 5 kilometer 165 meters. Any confusion, boys?
No.
Sure?
Yeah.
You did it before this? The sixth, very important, convert 4160 millimeters into meter and centimeter. Same question, whenever the question given in the one form and you have to break into two, so you will also break into two parts. Okay, so 4000 millimeter and 160 millimeter. Meters and Next, actually this is little difficult. What? Stop. So for 4000 millimeter you will be converting into the meters. So what you will do when converting this?
Divided it by 300.
No, millimeter, when you convert it into the meter, then how many 10 we need to divide it?
3.
3, correct. So 3 we can divide it, then it will be converting into meter. And 160 millimeter, when you have to convert into centimeter, how many 10 we need to divide it?
10.
10, very
Like
good.
1.
Yes,
10.
very nice, very nice. Now you understood perfectly the concept. Okay, now 4000 divided by 1000, it will give 4 meter, isn't it?
Yeah.
160 divided by 10, it will give it 16 centimeter. Right?
Yes.
Yes. So you will remove the addition sign and you will write it normally. So what is the answer? 4160 millimeter is now 4 meter 16 centimeter. This is little advanced because both the unit are not same. This is millimeter, this is meter, this is centimeter. So basically you need to change both the part, right? In other questions, have you seen this, that we have one is common, right? We need to change only the one part, but in this question we need to change both the parts according to the question. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the videos and subscribe.